were hitting them pretty hard, man.
I know.
I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you did good.
Probably
Awesome.
the hardest I've been had them, but they take it. That DD99.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Hey, how you doing, sir? JacobViral. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay. Ooh, looks really good. Wow. So, what's your name, man, and what's in here? Go for it.
I'm Ryan. I'm part of Team Control Pressure, and I've got 3 DD9915s on 3 SoundCube 7500s, 1 per. I've got the Sony 8-channel Mobile ES series on Stevens Audio 6.5s in the rear, tweeters in the back doors. I've got Stevens Audio 8s in the fronts with their horns underneath the dash. Try to keep it as factory looking as possible, but and also to keep up with the subs. So.
Yeah.
But,
any issues with the top flex at all?
I just had to tighten the screws for my sunroof. I got to keep
Okay.
a check on that every now and then.
Got it. Yeah.
See, mostly everything else is pretty stable.
Who built this?
My dad and brother back in Missouri, Sean and Joe Klein.
Awesome. Dude, really good. Is that 3/4 inch, half-inch thick?
We've got 3/4 inch. Oh, so the glass itself is an inch thick.
Okay.
We got inch thick plexiglass, and then it's 2 layers of 3/4 inch on top, and then the whole bottom box is 3 layers of 3/4 inch. So it's a 4th order, 2-to-1 ratio, and it likes the 30s to 40s.
Okay.
So.
And you got your back seats and everything's
Yes.
just clear, clean, nice show car demo. Any SPL tests for fun at all, or figure it out?
Just for fun, I've done my peak frequency is 45, and I've done a 56.6 on the windshield and a 57.8 in the kick.
That's great for a C-pillar.
It's not bad. It's not bad. I appreciate you.
Yeah, man.
That DD9915s are tanks.
Yeah, they do great.
Oh, yeah.
Really beefy. Are those a 3 or 4 inch coil subs? I can't remember.
They are the 4.
4. Okay, 4
4 inch coils. Yep.
Wow, they handle every bit of it.
I appreciate you.
You're welcome. I love car audio. I love demos, and I love sharing it in the community.
Absolutely. No, I've absolutely seen you online.
Been doing videos for about 12 years.
Really?
Yeah.
Man, that's badass. That's good. That's good. Get to see cool.
I love car audio. I mean, it's just part of my life. So.
It is.
All right, man.
Appreciate you.
Take a picture real quick. I forgot to take one. Look under the hood real quick, sorry. Yeah, I would love to hear it. Awesome.
right.
Thanks for the info.
Shackles and chains, a man of convictions, damn, he's a
me for the seat pillar. You did a good job. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, awesome job.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you for the demo.
Absolutely.
You were hitting them pretty hard, man.
I know.
I appreciate it.
Absolutely.
Yeah, you did good.
Probably
Awesome.
the hardest I've been had them.
Wow.
They take it. The DD9915s are tanks.
Yeah, they do great.
Oh, yeah.
Really beefy. Are those the 3 or 4 inch coil subs? I can't remember.
They are the 4.
4. Okay, 4
4 inch coils. Yep.
Wow, they handle every bit of it. Well, you have a good day, man.
Absolutely. You too. Appreciate you.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Absolutely.
JacobViral.